know it's your boy Will, and I'm back in the video. And today we're cleaning with Will for 7 minutes. Let's begin. Hope you all ain't home before this time. You got work to do. For real, you got work to do, man. Ain't got no time to be sleeping. Y'all dreams. Y'all. Minutes. What else could I do? Shoot. remember, it's not about how hard it is, bro. It's about the reward on the other side of that's next to it, you know? It's about the reward that's on the other side. We have to keep fighting for what we believe in, you know? No matter if we're doing good or bad, bro. Everything is progress. Remember that. Everything don't need to be perfection at all. Put that in your mind. Perfection kill process. Progress. Perfection kill progress. And good results or bad results is still progress. Remember that. You're only a failure when you stop. You're not a failure if you're trying and you keep falling and getting back up and trying again. Fall down, get back up. Try again, fall down, get back up. You're not no failure. You're making progress at the end of the day. You're only a failure when you completely stop and the job is not done. Remember that. So, like I said, keep fighting for what you believe in. Our time gonna come. It gonna come. I don't know when, but it gonna come. It gonna come for you and it gonna come for me. But we have to, our job is to keep staying in position and keep going. No matter what the circumstances is. Okay? Keep fighting for what you believe in. I believe in you, but God believes you the most. He loves you and he appreciates you every single day you wake up and you start working on your life. Go.